Do you have a broken iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, or any other device? Well, don't go to a repair shop that's going to charge you money for something you don't need. We offer a free diagnostic and charge $0 until after the repair is actually completed. When you come to The Fix by iCity Repair, you're going to get quality repair done right. That's why we offer a 100-day warranty on every single thing we do. Some things even get a 1-year warranty. Most of our parts are actually manufacturer parts from them directly. We also offer aftermarket repair parts in case you want to trade your phone into your carrier to get an upgrade. And all of our aftermarket parts qualify for trade-in to get your full trade-in value to AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. What's really exciting about this job is that we sleep well at night knowing we give our all every single day, and we really care about what we do. We use the best quality parts, so we have no fear, no worries. What we're doing is the right job every single time.
Oh my God, my phone actually works and I'm so excited. He transferred everything onto my phone, which took about 10 to 15 minutes, so that was awesome. I didn't have to do that myself.
Dave really helped me put a new screen on my old phone and transferred all the data for me to my new phone, and he put the case on for me on my new iPhone 13.
So if you have any questions at all or unsure what to do, don't worry, come on into The Fix by iCity Repair. We're here every day for you. We're located inside the Bridgewater Commons Mall 7 days a week. You're gonna wanna park outside the Cheesecake Factory, Uncle Julio's Mexican Restaurant, and Fogo de Chao. Walk straight inside, past Gloria Jean's Coffee, and we are directly under the escalator.